Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a log question and we're supposed to find the value of it. They have given to us 2 log of 40 plus log root of 81 minus 2 log of 12. First of all, we are going to return the power back, and also we are going to find the square root of 81. That is log 40 square plus log square root of 81 is 9 minus log, when you return 2 to the power, is going to be 12 power 2. Let us start to work with log 40 power 2 plus log 9. From product rule, if we have log x plus log y, this is equal to log xy. So from here, we are going to have log 40 power 2 multiplied by 9. Then take away log 12 power 2. We have log with the same base, but now we subtract. We are going to use quotient rule, which state if we have log x minus log y, this is equal to log x over y. This will be equal to log 40 square multiplied by 9, subtract by, we have log 12 power 2, that is going to be over 12 power 2, according to our quotient rule here. Let us simplify. We have log 40 square, this is the same as 40 multiplied by 40, multiplied by 9, divide by 12 power 2, that is 12 multiplied by 12. We can simplify here. By 4, we got 3. By 4, we got 10. By 4, it is 3. By 4, we got 10. By 3, 1. By 3, 3. By 3, 1. By 3, we got 1. So we are going to remain with log 10 multiplied by 10, it is 100. But we know log without base, its base is base 10. So we have base 10. Let us return it into power form. We have log 100 is the same as 10 power 2, the base of 10. Let the power in front of the log. We are going to have 2 log base 10 of 10. But log base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. That is going to be 2 multiplied by 1. We are going to get the answer equal to 2. I hope you understand the question. For more questions on log, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.